Can you guess which bird has the brightest feathers? Let's find out together. Welcome to our fun adventure with colorful birds from all around the world. First, we meet the peacock. Look at its beautiful tail. It's like a rainbow with blues, greens, and golds. Peacocks love to show off their feathers to say hello. Next, we fly to the tropical forest to see the parrot. Parrots come in so many colors, like red, yellow, and green. They can even talk. Parrots like to chat and make new friends. Now, let's visit the flamingo. Flamingos are pink. They get their color from the yummy shrimp they eat. Look how they stand on one leg. Isn't that funny? Over here, we see the toucan. Toucans have big, colorful beaks. Their beaks are orange and black, perfect for munching on fruit. Finally, we find the hummingbird. Look how tiny it is. Hummingbirds can be red, green, or blue. They fly super fast and love sweet nectar. Did you guess which bird has the brightest feathers? It's the peacock. Thanks for joining our colorful bird adventure. This exciting video was crafted by AutoShorts. Want your own fun videos? Just click the link in the description to get started today.